Hello people, welcome back to one more video of my channel Rishika Banerjee. And in this channel I make videos regarding the syllabus of class 9 and 10. I have started a series for class 7s today. The previous day I started the chapter nutrition. This is the part 2 of the nutrition. Okay, got a very good response from you people. Okay, now let's not waste any further time and let's start with the this portion of the video. Okay, so question is, we have talked about nutrition. We have discussed why is nutrition important. Nutrition is important. Why? Because it gives us the growth and development of our body. That is why nutrition is important for us, right? Next, we have to understand that how in autotrophs, I said autotrophs are those who are not dependent on anybody for their food. So how do they do by themselves? Autotrophs are those who will do, see, through the process called photosynthesis, they will make their own food. Now, question can come, what is photosynthesis? Please write this. It is a process by which green plants prepare their own food in the presence of sunlight. Okay. What is their own food? Glucose. We will see this, how this happens. Okay. Now see. Now photosynthesis, students, two parts are there. One is the light, another is the dark. Dark, or you can also say light independent. Clear? Understand? Now, what happens is, see, I will be explaining this through the reaction. Okay, see, the reaction of photosynthesis is important. Again, see. Okay, now just wait, let me balance this. See, what happens is carbon dioxide and water together will combine in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll to give glucose, oxygen and water. Now this oxygen that is given, we humans are utilizing this oxygen. After we utilize the oxygen, we are giving out the carbon dioxide, they are taking in that carbon dioxide, and with water combined together to form glucose. This is the step, or this is what happens in 6CO2 plus 12H2O in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll will give C6H12O6 plus 6O2 plus 6H2O. Understand, this is the whole reaction of photosynthesis. Important reaction. Practice this equation 5 to 6 times, it automatically comes to you. So this is the equation. This is the equation of photosynthesis. So what happens in photosynthesis? Understand, students. Suppose we have got a plant. Now the plant will produce. This is your plant. Okay. What happens is, students, see, this plant will take in the sunlight. Okay, and we know that they will have the CO2 also. Understand? They will have the CO2. Clear? See, CO2, how they are getting the CO2? We are giving out the CO2, isn't it? And from the roots, they will take in the water. So see, they are getting the water, they are getting the CO2, they are getting the sunlight. CO2, water, sunlight. Thus, they will produce what? They will produce glucose, oxygen and water. This oxygen is used by us. Understand? Understand this portion? This is a short form. This is what basically photosynthesis is. A process by which green plants will prepare their own food, that is glucose and oxygen is produced and water in the presence of sunlight. This is very important, in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. Clear to you people? Any problem? This is how it actually happens. Clear? Next we have to understand what happens in all these processes. What is light? Light reaction or light reaction is something where it will take place in the presence of light. Dark reaction means what? It can take place in the absence of light. Light is not required for this. Clear? So what is the process by which is taking place in the day, because it needs light. You will get light in the daytime, so light reaction, and this will take place light independent reaction or dark reaction will take place at night, because at night we do not have sunlight. Understand? Any problem, anybody? So this is what. So why it is called dark reaction? Just remember, or what is another name of dark reaction? Light independent reaction. That means what? It can take place in night. It does not require light for its reaction. So these are two types you have to understand. Now, one thing you have to understand, students, there are few points about these two which are not there in your book. If you take the classes, then this portion is completely explained. This is just an overview. If you want a complete explanation with proper notes and everything, you will get in the class. Everything is there in the class. This is just an overview. Understand? This is what in the photosynthesis it happens. This is not a very easy process. A lot is there. What is photophosphorylation? What is cyclic photophosphorylation? What is the Z scheme process? Okay, all these I will be explaining in the class. If you take in a proper class, you will get to know a lot, because this is not as simple as it looks. Huge portion is there, a lot to study in this, because it's an extended topic. Okay, so for class 7 grades, if you see, this much is important. If you want to know more, I mean, it's more than important, more than your syllabus I have explained. This is the portion in nutrition and animal plants. This much is only there. If you have any further queries, you write in the comment section. If you want to get any personal touch, mail me. My mail ID is given there. So this much is there. Next day, a proper starting of the nutrition in animals. We will be starting with the nutrition in animals. Okay. I think it will take about 2 classes or maybe 1 classes we can wind up. So for this part, I have just completed this nutrition in animals in 2 portions. If you need any further information, any further queries or anything else, if you want to know, you can always feel free to comment. Please share this among your friends and like, share and comment in my video. Thank you so much. Meet you all in the next video. Hope you all are safe. Thank you.